This is my first time trying out a handleless hair dryer, but today we're using the platform Blowout from FHI Heat. First, I go in with my unbrushed detangling hairbrush, and then I go in with the spray. Have to make sure we're protecting our hair while we're styling it. And at first I was a little confused, but honestly, it was so easy and light to use. It's an all-in-one tool that comes with 3 attachments, a speed dry nozzle, a diffuser, and a straightening comb. I then went in with my round brush to give myself a nice blowout. I was so shocked how fast my hair was drying, and I love that it's engineered specifically for the perfect blowout. I will say, because it doesn't have a handle, it was a lot easier to use, and because it's so light, it really didn't tire out my arm, which is what usually happens. And this is how the final look came out. I am so obsessed. I love just flipping out the ends a little bit towards my face, and my hair was super smooth and frizz free.